Welcome. Today's topic is rock cycle. So regarding the rock cycle, we know that rock is divided into three rock states, that is metamorphic rock, igneous rock and sedimentary rock. These things are interrelated and continuous cycling process through which it is said to be rock cycle. Moving to the next topic is weathering of rocks. So weathering of rocks takes place due to physical factors, chemical factors, and even rock cycle. That is interconnected things. So weathering is a process of breaking down the big rock particles into the smaller particles through the physical and the chemical process. And even biological weathering is also there, rabbits borrow due to making the shelters, borrowing of animals will be there. So these occurs due to the biological weathering. So the first thing is physical weathering. Physical weathering means it is the disintegration of the rocks into the smaller particles, but this will be done by means of physical process, like due to some cracks happened, and while trees are growing, the cracks will expand. So this is the example of physical weathering. And thermal expansion and freezing, which takes place during the night times, this also leads to the physical weathering things. And during the landslides or the rock falls, the physical weathering will be taking place. So moving to the next thing is chemical weathering. So here weathering means disintegration of rocks into the smaller particles. But here the means is through chemical reaction which happens between the rock and water and even oxygen in the atmosphere. So here in the slide, the physical weathering, that is also said to be mechanical weathering, and the chemical weathering difference is shown. So what the final product of physical weathering is mainly the positionless soil, that is sand. And in chemical weathering, the soil is cohesive soil, and the forcing agents are in physical weathering, it is wind. So you with the wind, you will get the alluvial soil aesthetic, and through animals, water, alluvial soil will be there, and ice, glacial and marine soil will be there. So these are physical weathering. And regarding the chemical weathering, oxidation process will be taking place, giving rise to the clay type of soil, and hydration, carbonation, that is the addition of carbon, and leaching by water. So whenever there is a force of water in a particular rock surface for a long time, this leads to the leaching, and bigger rocks is disintegrated into the smaller particles. So this is the leaching by water, and even by organic acids also the leaching process will be taking place. So this is regarding the weathering of soil. Thank you. பா ஒரு நிமிஷம்.